Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to see how to connect ESP32 with Google Sheet. So let's get started. The first thing we are going to do is to create the project in the Google Cloud Console. So search Google Cloud Console in the Google search window. Click here on this link. Click here on I am an admin. Now sign in into your account. If you do not have your account, then please create the account in the Google Cloud Console. Enter the password. Now we are going to create the project over here. Click here on create project. Give the name to the project. I'm going to give the name as ESP32 IoT. So create the project. So project got created. Now let us open the service account now. Now let us click here on the service accounts. Then click here on create service account. Give the name to this account. I'm going to give the same name, ESP32 IoT. Click here on create and continue. Select the role as owner. Click here on continue. So click here on done. So our service account is created. Now let us click here and we will create the new keys now. Click here on manage keys. Click here on add key and then create new keys. So select here JSON and click on create. So close it. JSON file has got downloaded. So let us see that JSON file. Open this JSON file. So we will be needing the parameters given over here, like project ID, a private key ID, private key, etc. Now our next step will be to create one Google Sheet. So go here, come here to API and services and click here on library. Go down, click here. So enable the Google Sheet API over here. Now search Google Spreadsheet into Google search window and click here on the Google Spreadsheets. Open the blank spreadsheet. We will be using this ID in the code, so we will have to remember it. Click here on share. Before sharing, we are going to give the name as ESP32 IoT. So this, so we will go to our document and we will share the email ID for this. So this is the client email, which we are going to share it with the Google Sheet. paste the email over here and just click here and save. So now let us go to the Arduino code. So go to the sketch, then go to include library, then click here on manage library. Search over here Google spreadsheet. So you can download this library, that is ESP-Google-Sheet- client. I have already downloaded it, so I may not have to download it again. Next step, next step, go to the file, then go to the examples, and then go over here to the Google Sheet client and come over here to values and click here on append. So this is the example code for connecting ESP32 with the Google Sheet. This is the library which we are going to use. And these are the Wi-Fi credential we need to enter over here. So I'm going to enter the Wi-Fi credential for my router. Then enter the password. Then here we need to enter the project ID. So we need to open our notepad and we search for here the project ID. So copy this over here from here. Copy this from here and paste it over here. So project ID is done. Then we need to enter the client email. This is the client email. Paste the email address over here. So we need to enter the private key over here. So this is the example given over here in this code. So we will copy our private key from the document. So this is our private key. Copy this private key, paste it over here. We need to arrange it properly. So we need to do it like this. Now it seems the formatting is done. So this is our key. So this is the coding part. We have the serial port to initialize. We have the Wi-Fi network for ESP32 is initialized. Here the Wi-Fi is connected and the IP is obtained. So this is the token status callback. This is the callback function which is located over here. So we have the Google Sheet is initialized by giving the client email and the project ID and private key as well. And now here the loop starts. So here the Google Sheet is ready. And so here the spreadsheet values are updated. And these are the columns, major column, major dimensions, the columns specified over here. And here we are going to add the values. The values we are going to set as is 100, 200, and 300. And here the values are appended into the Google Sheet using this API. And here we made the spreadsheet ID. So we need to go to our spreadsheet and we will copy this ID and paste it over here in the code. I will edit this to A1. So now we are ready for compiling the code and uploading it into the ESP32 board. So connect your ESP32 board to the machine. Go to Tools, select your board and then the form board and go to Sketch and click here on Upload. The sketch is getting compiled. Code is getting uploaded now. Start the serial monitor. So Wi-Fi is connected and the data is getting uploaded over the Google spreadsheet. So let us see our spreadsheet now. So here we can see the data is getting uploaded. This is 100, 200, 300, and again, this data is getting repeated again and again over here. So that's it for today. In this video, we have seen how to connect ESP32 with the Google spreadsheet. We have uploaded some values over here from ESP32 into the Google spreadsheet. So thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, then please hit like button. Share this video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks again and have a good time.